Hello! Ayan, day 3 ng Barley Glow, ang barley na may glow. Ayan, organic green barley plus biofermented hydrolyzed collagen peptide, honey lemon flavor. So, let's drink na natin ang Barley Glow. So, day 3 na tayo. So, ito. Sa isang pack niya, 10 pieces. So, pwede siyang hot and cold. Yung tubig niya is 100 to 200 ml. Depende yan sa taste nyo. Ako, medyo malapit ng mapuno. Or pupunuin ko. Masarap. Ayan, hanggang dito. Stir lang. Stir lang. Ayan. Hanggang sa matunaw. And pwede mo siyang hot or cold. Ayan. So, hindi siya lasang damo. Diba? Lasa siyang honey lemon flavor. Mag-barley ka na. Ang barley na may glow. Ayan. Iinumin mo to yung empty stomach kaya hindi pa ako nag-almusal. So, ayan. Ito muna. Let's drink. Sarap talaga. Ano talaga siya, hindi na i-stack yung yung lasang damo. At hindi siya mapait. Bottoms up. May naiwan. Konti lang naman. So, mag-barley glow ka na. Ang barley na may glow. Did you know Barley Glow is functionally designed with 3,000 of milligram of iGlow 24/7 and 3,000 of organic green barley powder per pack. iGlow 24/7 is a Korean formulated premium biofermented collagen peptide that is more superior absorption rate and 7 times more effective than other common hydrolyzed collagen brands in the market. How does it work? The combination of iGlow 24/7 and barley creates a harmonious synergy that addresses both external beauty and inner vitality. This dynamic duo provides essential nutrients, antioxidants, and protein, which supports radiant skin, joint comfort, strong immune system, energy boost, and antioxidant shield. Your healthy way to glow! So ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-barley glow ka na. Ang barley na may glow! Shop now!